All right, so I want to get the recording of us potentially passing the account. I'm about to clear this OBS off though. Reason for this trade idea. Let's see on the one app we don't have any SMTs at these lows. Maybe we do have any SMTs, but I don't really think we should push lower here. I don't really see any SMTs. Go to the 5 minute. 5 minute, everything has swept the highs up there. I do see us pushing down lower. Order flow is indicating to us bearish. Only thing that's really going to hold us back is this 5 minute PDA rate right here. And I was originally trying to take this on NQ, but I had this right here. I was on NQ chart right here, and this was still on ES, which unfortunately from earlier I forgot to change. But again, just patience here, waiting. That's the one thing we failed to have last trade was patience. Hands off the keyboard. We just talked about this earlier, which was what? No scaling lower time frames when in a trade, no trailing stop loss to break even without a clear objective. Hands off keyboard when in a trade. Micromanaging equals damage. So right here we have to just let the trade run. Everything here is indicating bearish prices. I still see us pushing down lower. NQ is pushing down lower. What I would want to see is a flush on liquidity in the next couple of minutes. Monday. Or okay. I do still see us having bearish order flow on this trade. 1 hour time frame. We have a 1 hour bearish inversion for value gap here that formed. We're above previous day high. We met this objective, but again, this is what bearish PA. 15-minute time frame. We swept the previous candle right here. We have also what 15-minute CRT. I would want to see this candle hold and continue to push us down lower on the 5-minute time frame here. NQ just looks really bearish. I'm gonna hold this trade. If it plays out, it plays out. If not, then we just have to accept the loss here of 3%, which is perfectly fine with me, honestly. So yeah, let's get on to the 1 minute time frame. Everything is choppy here, but I really do see the market moving down lower. I really don't see it not moving down lower, which is kind of bizarre to say, honestly. Hold on, let me get my dog out. She's excited. Oh no, come on, baby, come on. Again, I'm just super impatient. I need to see a flush here, bro. I want to scale down to like the 1 minute, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. But like the market should move. NQ is moving lower. ES should continue. YM should continue, bro. There's no reason to be impatient here. Everything looks nice. Everything is moving down lower. I think we continue and we break that low. Yeah, we should reach this target on the 5 minute. Let's go down to the 1 minute. 1 minute objective honestly doesn't look bad. I think I'm gonna move my stop loss to this high up here. I don't think we should reach it, so let's do that right now. Let's move it all the way up here. So yeah, now we're at 450 here. I think this is a good area to be at, and since we're making this inverse, I think the market should not move back to break even. Plus we had a fair value gap here form. I think this should be a good area to go break even. We have this right here forming. We have this fair value gap form. We have this inverse. We're about to get below this right here. I think this is a good area to go break even. We're staying break even now, and we're aiming for that 1.3k objective. I'll close position once we hit 5,300. I think that's a ideal area. But yeah, here we're break even, risk free. There's no point of trying to trail the stop loss. We're at 92, 90, 80. Yeah, this 5 minute fair value gap is really the only confluence that's really gonna hold us back here. But I think we should flush through it, honestly. Everything else is flushing right now. Every other market is flushing. Let's go to the 5 minute here. NQ is holding. We're below. We're about to have that 5 minute change in the state off of that candle. 15-minute CRT is almost completed. So that's another confluence we have to watch out for. So I'm having this on the 15. Having this one right here. I think we should continue though. There's no point of us not moving. So let's pull out the handy. Okay. We're at 800. We need like 200 more, which is kind of what I'm aiming for. at 1,300. So we need 200 more, plus the commissions and fees. Come on, baby. Let's see real time passing the account, bro. I want to see this real time. 900, 990, 5,300, 5,300. Okay, yeah, so we don't need that much. I'm gonna just reverse right here, right there. Don't tell me I edge. Don't tell me I get edge, bro. If I get edge, bro, I'm gonna be pissed. I'm emotional. I'm emotional. We won this. We won this already, baby. Come on, flush, flush. One more time. 970. I just didn't know where I would have to take my profit. I'm just leaving it though. I'm leaving it. Trailing stops at this high up here. I'm just being smart. You know, being smart. Maybe I get edge. Maybe I don't. Maybe the market continues, hits me out one more time. NQ's moving lower. Everything's moving lower. I think the market should continue one more time. One little dump. And if we get hit out, we hit out for a profit for the day, and I'm gonna just close the account because I know I'm gonna be emotional. Just letting the trade run. You know, if we get, oh, this is scary, bro. I won't lie, because I feel like I'm gonna get edge since we did take out this low, and I know they just trail it up right here like that. 1.2. Bro, this is gonna piss me off if we don't hit the profit objective, because we would have hit it. I'm probably gonna get edge. I won't lie, I'm probably gonna get edge, bro. And I'm trailing like I'm like an emotional little girl. Damn, that's so unfortunate, bro. I'm just gonna let it run though. There's no point of trying to like be emotional here. I just aim for that right there. Hands off the keyboard now. Oh, bro, this is gonna piss me off if we go all the way back up. 15-minute time frame completed the CRT. I should have had it at the CRT low, because then that's probably an indication that the market doesn't want to reverse now since we completed the CRT. If we don't hold this 1 minute PDA rate, probably gonna go down. Up and aim for that high up there. But if we do go down, we're probably gonna pass the account. And again, I should not be emotional. Hands off the keyboard. Market does look bearish here. Still looks bearish in my honest opinion with that 1 hour PDA rate. And we're having that 5 minute bearish order block form, so I think we should continue to the downside. But YM is moving higher. Everything else is moving up higher. I think, yeah, everything's moving up, printing up after that low. But let's see which one market can flush for us to push us down lower, bro. This is bullshit, bro. I would have passed the account on NQ. I swear. This is some BS, bro. I was so close. Now we're probably gonna get stopped out, bro. The only last confluence is this right here, but if this doesn't hold, then we're probably pretty much gonna get out for a break even. So yeah, not even a break even. It's really not even a break even. Wow, bro, we would have passed the account too, bro. This is pissing me off. I won't even lie. This is like borderline pissing me off. How much? Basically we passed the account. I won't even lie. We should have passed the account. I don't know why I didn't take profit. Now we're probably gonna get stopped out. Yeah, I'm probably gonna lie. I already know I'm gonna be too emotional, so I'm gonna just close it if we get stopped out here, which we probably are, which is fine. Order failed. Damn, bro. Which is fine. Honestly, now the objective is closer. We have only 900 to make, which isn't bad. Again, we're ending the day green. I know, bro. If I stay on these charts, I'm gonna be super emotional. I'm gonna want to be. Oh my goodness. Yeah, see, I got fucking edge. I got edge, and now we're moving down lower, bro. This would have pissed me off, and I would have entered again. But again, you have to be calm, cool, and collected, and understand that this is all part of the process, bro. I should have held the trade, honestly. Could have held the trade here, but honestly, stop loss placement was not bad. We should have never reached up here. We should have held the 5 minute, and we should have held this inversion to continue to the downside. We're inside of a range. I don't want to be trading inside of a range. This is my third trade for today, and plus I'm done, bro. We damn near passed. We should have passed the. I should have closed the trade right here as soon as we saw 5,300. But it was just so fluctuating so much to the point where I couldn't time it correctly, and I didn't want to get out just like at that profit object, like close to it. I wanted to like hit it while I was like deep in profit to guarantee it. Plus the fees too. I would have not probably had it when I closed the trade because I would have had the fees to pay for it and all that. But yeah, bro, it sucks, honestly. Now I gotta journal this trade. I was in the middle of journaling my trade right here when I was stumbling upon the market and I saw the opportunity present. And I was like, okay, yeah. And I know I'm pretty late journaling because I already journaled the other one. I journaled this one right here, and yeah, that's pretty much really it. I was journaling this one. Now it's trade recap number 2. Account could have been passed. Blah blah blah. So yeah, peace.